Mabuhay. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Few hours from now, the people in the entire world will be celebrating the Christmas Day. And tonight, I'm gonna cook for my dinner. In my dinner will be Chinese pizza and dried fish or toyo. Di mo makapaniwala, no? Well, ipakita na ko sa inyo. This is Chinese pizza and this is dried fish. No meat for my table tonight. Walay karne. Dili siya typical na Christmas dinner para sa kuha. Unlike before, during my time when my mom was still alive. But since my mom has passed away, dili na ko nag-celebrate of Christmas during her time na kailangan mag-buy yung something food in the table. But now, okay na sa kuha kini siya. No meat sa table kasi everyday mo na siya kung ginapalit sa karinderya. But for now is simple dinner, tuyo o Chinese pizza. Di mo maniwala, di mo motoo. Pakita ng pag-usap. This one. Merry Christmas everyone. Happy holidays. Enjoy your night. God bless us all.